Picture this: golden brown skin that shatters with every bite, tender meat beneath, and the kind of aroma that draws everyone to your kitchen, hungry and hopeful. That's the promise of a perfect roast chicken. And today, you're going to master it, step by delicious step. First, the prep. Start with a whole chicken and pat it dry. Seriously dry. Grab some paper towels and blot every inch, even inside the cavity. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness, so don't cut corners here. Once your chicken is dry, season generously with kosher salt and black pepper, inside and out. You want to hit every surface. This is where great flavor begins. Now let's talk aromatics. Slice a lemon in half, smack a few garlic cloves with the flat of your knife, and gather a sprig or two each of rosemary, thyme, and parsley. Stuff all those goodies inside the chicken's cavity. As it roasts, steam from the lemon and herbs will infuse the meat with subtle brightness and fragrance. It's like a flavor upgrade from within. Coat the outside of the chicken with a layer of olive oil or melted butter. Your choice. This step is key for rich, glossy skin that browns up beautifully. If you want to take it to the next level, sprinkle on some smoked paprika, garlic powder, or a dash of cayenne. Even a little dried oregano or sage won't hurt. Customize to your taste. Now for the roast. Place your seasoned buttered beauty in a roasting pan breast side up. Into the oven it goes, preheated to a robust 425 degrees 220 degrees Celsius. Roast for about 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on size. The real secret, use a meat thermometer. You're aiming for 165 degrees, 74 degrees CC, at the thickest part of the thigh, away from the bone. That's guaranteed juiciness. As it cooks, the skin transforms, first golden, then deeply bronzed, crisping up while the aromas build. Your kitchen will smell like heaven. But resist diving in too soon. Once it's done, let the chicken rest, uncovered, for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This lets the juices redistribute, so every slice is moist and flavorful. Finally, carve and serve. Lay it out with roasted potatoes, seasonal veggies, or thick slices of country bread. Family, friends, even the neighbors might drop by when they catch a whiff. Roast chicken. It's simple, timeless, and always worth the wait. Crispy skin, juicy win.